and welcome to another episode of Artist Glamorous channel. In this video, I will be talking about a solution for your tan in the summer. Yeah, I'll be talking about a very budget-friendly product that you can use in 15 minutes and just remove your tans, and that is also in budget. So none other than I'm talking about the Roopmanda Haldi Chandan face pack. This is like I have just put on my hands on this from last 2 weeks, and I am just loving this, and I don't review any product without using them myself and also seeing any visible results or side effects on my skin type. My skin type is extremely oily, T-zone with oily skin type, with active prone skin type, and also have acne scars too. So let's get into the video, and I'll show you how I use this also, and how many times I use this in a week, and also the review my experience with this product. So first of all, going to the packaging is typical plastic packaging. It is a reusable plastic packaging, a combination of paper plastic packaging, has a matte packaging. The cap is white in color, just a normal white color tip top caps that are available with any product now. This is basically a face pack, which is a ready-made face pack, so you don't have to DIY, and it is easy to carry because it is plastic and also is lightweight, so you can carry it. This comes in one package, like one size package only, so you don't get a bigger size or a smaller size. You have to purchase this if you wanted to purchase this. Else what is written, it's written Roopmanda Haldi Chandan face pack, removing dead skin cells, nourishes skin. This is a 16 grams package, and backside it is written that okay, the ingredients are haldi, then it is aloe vera, then it is haldi. Two types of haldis are written over here: Polyeuropaea santalum album, that is chandan, scientific name, and then surjamukhi, okay, sunflower oil, and then preservatives, those are approved. They are PE, Nopol, Hemiduria, and the base ingredients and Sugandhit Draper. Indications as such is helpful in reducing pimples, acne, wrinkles are their claims. I'll review it whether it works on those or not. Nourishes skin, opens up clogged pores, suitable for all skin types as they recommend. Direction for use: apply a thick layer on clean face and neck, avoid mouth and eye area. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with water or wipe off with damp cloth. Ayurvedic medicine. Roopmanda is not a cosmetic or toiletry preparations. Keep in cool and dry place, away from direct sunlight and dry place. Keep dark place. Keep out of reach of children. Imitation of levels of to be sold. Okay, for external use only. The MRP of this is 87 rupees. Yeah, you heard me right. It is just 87 rupees, and the quantity of this is 60 grams. It is manufactured in India, so it is an Indian brand. Now Roopmanda creams, I have already reviewed Roopmanda creams. Face washes, those I really love. So I have put in my hands on Roopmanda face pack, and they are really good. The face pack kind of looks like yellowish color, a creamy texture. So you have to just apply on your face, give it for 15 minutes. I'll show you how I use this. I use this once in a week, but I have extremely oily skin type, so you can use this even if you have active acne, because haldi, I mean the turmeric, has antibacterial, antifungal properties, so active acne will be reduced by this. Even if you have dry skin type, you can use this for sunburns. They are really good. Even if you have normal combination skin type, obviously you can use this. For combination to oily skin type and extremely oily skin types like me, you can use this and see the benefits of non-greasiness and also a brighter skin type, because on summers my skins get darkened very quickly with the sun rays. Even though I use a lot of sunscreen, then this is a best friend of mine. right now. I use this once a week. So if you have because nowadays because of lockdowns and everything, we don't have colleges right now, so we don't have to go out too much. If you are going out like office purpose or any school purpose or anything, so you use this twice a day. It depends on how much you burn your skin on the sun or you get suntan. Twice a week, sorry, extremely sorry, twice a week. And I use it once a week right now. And else, the smell is amazing. Smells also bothers me a lot. The smell is just amazing. Hope this will be helpful for you. I felt that this also reduces a lot of scars, and it takes time too, but it glows off your skin very nicely. You feel that your pores are clean and removes all the dirt, and the dead skin cells are also removed without scrubbing. If you can scrub your face with then apply this face pack, then it will be the best option for you in this summer. So yeah, that was all the review of this product. For me, this product gets a 9 out of 10. I really like this product. Hope you have felt it a little helpful for yourself. If you did, then please hit on that like button that encourages us to make new videos and bring valuable contents for you. Comment us below any other video contents you wanted us to see or how you felt about this video. Share it with your friends who have like tan and who have to work out in the sun and then get tan. So you can also apply this on any part of your body, but keep away from your eyes. Like you can use on your hands and your feet to remove, but the pricing is also less, so you can definitely use this for manicure and pedicure purposes too. Yeah. And obviously, to see more videos from our channel, do click on the red subscribe button and the bell icon beside it. And to see more videos, then get on the description box, the I button above, and on our channel the videos and playlist sections. There are a lot of DIYs made for face packs and also ready-made face packs. So that was all. So for today, stay blessed, stay happy, and bye bye.